In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the ClickUp desktop app. If you're looking to enhance your productivity with a dedicated ClickUp application on your desktop, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and get you set up with ClickUp. To kick things off, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, simply type in ClickUp desktop app. What you're looking for here is the official ClickUp webpage that offers a downloadable desktop app. It usually has a description mentioning the desktop download. Once you've identified the right link, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the ClickUp website where you'll find the option to download the app. Once you're on the official page, the next step is to look for the download button. It should be prominently displayed for convenient access. Simply click on it to initiate the download process. If you're using a specific operating system, like Mac or Windows, make sure you download the version that's compatible with your setup. Scroll down the web page if necessary to locate the appropriate download button for your operating system. ClickUp conveniently places these options in plain view, making it relatively easy to find the right version for your computer. Now that you've downloaded the installer, the next step is to run it. This usually involves opening your Downloads folder or clicking on the download notification if your browser supports it. Running the installer might prompt a security check on your system, which is a standard procedure. Confirm that you wish to proceed, and the installation process will begin. The installer will likely guide you through the installation steps. Typically, this involves accepting the terms of use and selecting your installation preferences. Carefully follow each prompt as you make your way through the setup. It's generally straightforward, so take your time to ensure everything is correctly selected. And there you have it, a seamless installation process for the ClickUp desktop app. Now you're all set to explore the vast capabilities of ClickUp directly from your desktop. Whether you're managing tasks, collaborating with your team, or organizing projects, having the desktop app will significantly enhance your workflows by providing a more accessible and streamlined experience. So that about wraps things up for today's tutorial. I hope you found it straightforward and helpful. Enjoy your newfound productivity with the ClickUp desktop app, and don't forget to explore all the features it offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.